In this video, we will learn to extract unstructured data from a PDF document by creating a customized and reusable extraction template, and then export the extracted data to an Excel workbook. Let's see how it is done with the help of an example. Here, we have some sample data containing the account history of a customer. The account history comprises details of transactions that the customer has made, categorized into debit or credit transactions along with the balance amount at the end of the day. Now, in this example, we want to extract all of this information into a tabular format and export the output to an Excel workbook. We will perform this task in 2 steps. For the first step, we will create a report model on this PDF file. Go to File, New, Report Model. On this window, point the file path to the unstructured PDF file. As you open the PDF file, you will notice a Report Options panel appear on the right-hand side of the designer. There are some configuration options on this panel which you can use to modify how ReportMiner reads your file. The reading options depend on the file type and the content type of your data. In this case, we have a PDF file, so we can specify a scaling factor for the better alignment of the data or change the font, tab size, and so forth. You can see that there is a misalignment of columns between the first and second page of this file. Let's try to fix this by setting the scaling factor as 3. Note that there is no exact rule to set this factor. It's mostly set on a trial and error basis. You can see that our data is now perfectly aligned. Next, let's add a data region. Right-click on this record node inside the Model Layout panel and select Add Data Region option. You can see that a data node has been added to the report model along with the pattern box here and the Region Properties panel on the left side of the designer. Now, we need to specify a pattern that ReportMiner can match on this file to extract the desired data points. This pattern can be an alphabet, a character, a number, wildcard, or a combination of all of these. In this case, we are using the date format as the pattern match for this file. Move the cursor on the pattern box directly above the line from where the date starts. Select the suitable wildcards one by one to form a pattern. The report model editor now highlights all occurrences of data lines that match this pattern. Highlight the first field area and right-click and select Add Data Field from the context menu. The first field is added to the record node as appears in the model layout. As you add a data field, the Field Properties panel will appear on the left side of the designer. Here, let's rename the field to Date. We repeat this process of adding data fields and renaming it until we have extracted all the required data from this file. Here, you see a final structure of the report model in the Model Layout tab. We verify the model by previewing the data. This will give us an idea of how the unstructured file is processed and unstructured data is extracted using the report model we created. To do that, we first need to save our report model and then click on this icon called Preview Data placed in the toolbar. You can see a data preview window opening up at the bottom of the application. Here you can see the entire report structure with the actual values for all the defined fields. As the second step, we will be exporting this output to an Excel workbook. You can see these 3 icons in the Model Layout tab. These icons are used to export the extracted data to an Excel workbook, a CSV file, or a database table respectively. Click on the Create New Export settings and Run to Excel icon. This will open a configuration window for the Excel destination file. Provide the path to where you want to save the destination file. You can further configure these export settings using these options. Let's leave them as default and click OK. The process of data extraction and exporting now begins. You can observe its progress through job trace in the Job Progress window. At the end of a successful run, a clickable link for the exported data file will be generated in the job trace. Click on this link and your exported data will open in an Excel sheet. So that's how you can extract unstructured data residing in a PDF file and export it to an Excel workbook in Astera ReportMiner. Visit our documentation site for more information on using Astera ReportMiner. Thanks for watching this video.